United Artist picture, and we're working to restore that right now. I'm sorry, I have horrible frame grasses, but it's not done yet. And I'm going to leave you with one last thing I've been working on. This is super top secret. Here's a frame from a lost Betty Boop cartoon. And that cartoon is called Buzzy Boop at the Concert.
Oh!
It exists.
Oh!
It's in Russia. We're working right now with the CIFA and archives to pull that cartoon out and restore it so we have it back in the libraries here. That's the kind of stuff I've been working on. I've left out a whole ton of it, but that's what's going on. People ask me, what are you doing? What are you doing? When's the next public coming up? We're working on other stuff. Don't worry. All right, that was an invitation of everybody who asked that question. There's nobody in this room. All right, my time is up. Thank you. Thank you.
So sorry. Sorry about